Hello children, welcome to chapter 5 Location and Time. Today we will learn about what is latitude, longitude, why it is there on the globe of the earth. Planet Earth is truly beautiful planet. The earth is our home and we also share same home as one family. The earth is so big in size that it was difficult to tell location of any one place on the earth. And so Greek philosopher and mathematician Aristophanes came up with latitude and longitude. These are vertical and horizontal lines on the earth. Actually, these lines are not drawn on the earth. Anywhere can you see lines on the earth? No. They are just an imaginary line made for making our studies easy. A series of north-south and east-west lines, that is from north to south, is longitudes and east to west is latitudes. And together they make up that is called grid system, like a web. These lines are used to find exact location of a place on earth. The north-south lines are called meridians of longitudes. Children, meridian means lines that we imagine, and as we know, these lines are imaginary. So we say it as meridian of longitudes, and it extends from North Pole to South Pole. And east-west lines are called parallels of latitude. It is an angular distance of the place from north to south of equator. There are 90 parallel latitude in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. So total there are 180 latitudes. All these latitudes are circle on the globe. Not a single line meet each other. You can see near the pole circle becomes smaller. And the most important latitude is near 0 degree, that is equator, which divide the earth in half. Now what is longitudes? Longitude divide the earth into time zone. Longitude is an angular distance from east to west of prime meridian. Now what is prime meridian? Prime meridian is a longitude passes through Greenwich near London in England. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. All other lines running from North Pole to South Pole are called meridian of longitudes. Total there are 360 meridians of longitudes. Also here in chapter there is an activity, how to see pole star, its position and finding latitude of a city with the help of a pen, protractor and nail, converting into telescopic instrument. So children, today we wrap up here, and in next part we will discuss about ideal, local and standard time. Till then, bye, take care.